We are live, and we are at this this restaurant. What is this restaurant called, Patrick? Lin Hang Gui. And apparently this is one of the most famous dim sum restaurants
Old style,
in Hong Kong, and it's
branch. Okay.
and this is the branch in Sheungwan. And this place is renowned for not only its dim sum, but the value of its dim sum. This dim sum is not very expensive, yet it tastes good. So there's lots of value here. And my brother Patrick is just pointing out some of the pageantry and intricacies involved in eating and even preparing to eat this dim sum. And I encountered a few new, I guess, what would I call them? Just a few new ways of doing, a few new technologies in this dim sum place. First of all, before we even started eating, we had to wash our utensils in this large ashtray. And what happens is, if you look over there, in those metal boxes, they're tea leaves. And what the person does is, the person takes these bowls, this one here and this one here, for drinking tea, and scoops up some of those tea leaves in this. And then the person, the waiter, pours boiling water onto the tea leaves in here and in this container. And we can see that that water pot over there. So the leaves go in first, and then the water. And then from there, we clean the utensils, the chopsticks, and the cup, and the bowl, and the spoon. And while that's going on, this is the gokjong. So this is the gokjong, and this is our makeshift teapot. And I've actually had tea from this before, but here, thankfully, they provide a little teacup for us. And the trick to pouring this into the teacup is to pour fast. I did not pour fast, so I made a mess over here, but Patrick can pour fast, quickly.
And pour at an angle.
Yes, pouring at an angle and quickly, and then all the tea gets into the cup and not onto the table. And I think that's all the preparation. So a few new things.
And another thing too, the water is constantly heating. Make sure it's boiling hot.
So
that's the secret of getting the most flavor out of the tea leaf.
Curious, thank you. So we have the fresh tea leaves, we have the boiling hot water, constantly boiling to bring out the freshness and the flavor of the tea leaves, not only in here, we don't drink from here, but also from here where we drink, or where we at least make the tea to pour to drink. And that's it from this place in Sheungwan.